Hi boys and girls, today in skills we're going to do our first spelling word test. So remember, this week is just going to be practice, but starting next week you're going to do it all by yourself. So Miss Pina can go ahead and pause this video and give you guys the worksheets, and then she can go ahead and unpause when everybody has a worksheet. Now that everybody has a worksheet, the first thing you are going to do is write your name, because Miss Valenzuela needs to know who to be proud of. And if you don't have a name, then I don't know who to be proud of. Now remember, this time we're going to do it together, but next Friday you're going to do it all by yourself. So number 1, the word is red. R-E-D. Remember to write what you hear. Ready? Red. R-E-D. Okay, ready? If you spell this, R-E-D. Go ahead and give yourself a smiley face, because that is the correct way to spell red. Number 2, you're going to write the word hop. Ready? H-A-P. One more time, ready? Hop. H-A-P. Good job. So if you wrote it this way, H-A-P. Give yourself a smiley face because you wrote it correctly. Number 3. Ready? Fin. One more time, ready? Fin. Here we go. If you wrote it like this, give yourself a smiley face, because that means that you wrote it correctly. Number 4. Hut. The word is hut. Ready? One more time. Hut. Go ahead and write it on your paper. Now if you word it like this, give yourselves a smiley face because you wrote it correctly. Here we go. Number 5. The word is bat. Ready? B-A-T. Number 5 is bat. B-A-T. Go ahead and write it on your paper. Okay, if you wrote this, B-A-T, then give yourself a smiley face because you wrote it correctly. Okay, number 6. The word is dig. Ready? D-I-G. One more time. Ready? Dig. D-I-G. Go ahead and write the word on your paper. Okay, and if you wrote this, D-I-G, give yourself a smiley face because you wrote the word dig correctly. Number 7, the word is bath. Now listen carefully, because this word has a diagraph. So bath. Here we go. Ready? B-A-Th. One more time. Bath. B-A-Th. Go ahead and write it on your paper. Okay, if you wrote this, B-A-Th. Give yourself a smiley face because that means that you wrote it correctly. Number 8. Oh, going back to number 7, the diagraph was TH because the th sound is TH. Now, number 8. Shop. Oh, this one also has a diagraph. Sh-a-p. The word is shop.
Ready?
Oh, a silly announcement was coming up. So let's try 8 one more time. Ready? 8. Shop. Sh-a-p. Go ahead and write the word shop. Ready? Shop. Sh-a-p. Go ahead and write it on your paper. Okay, if you wrote this, B-A-T. Number 9, the word is bat. Ready? B-A-T. Go ahead and write the word shop. Sh-a-p. Go ahead and write the word shop. Sh-a-p. Go ahead and write it on your paper. Here we go. If you wrote sh, ah, p, give yourself a smiley face because you wrote it correctly. And the diagraph was SH. Number 9, we are almost done. Ooh, this one is a little tricky. Ready? But listen to all the sounds. The word is split. Ready? Sp, u, I, t. One more time. Split. Sp, u, I, t. Go ahead and write the word split. Ready? Split. If you wrote it like that, then give yourself a smiley face because you wrote the word split correctly. And number 10, the word is flub. Ready? Flub. B. One more time, write the word flub. B. Flub. Okay, ready? If you write it on your paper, and if you wrote this on your paper, b, then that means you wrote it correctly, so you're going to give yourself a smiley face. And give yourselves a round of applause. Great job. So this is the way our spelling test is going to look. Every Monday, I'm going to send a list to your mommies and daddies. We're going to practice here in class, and on Friday, I'm going to give you a test. And that is pretty much how it's going to look. So, this was your first practice test, so buckle up and give yourselves a roller coaster. Woo! And next Friday, we'll see how you do by yourself. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have fun in writing, and I'll see you guys soon.